Hi dear children, hope to see you all in good health. Now in this video, we will start lesson 11 measurement of weight. So let's start doing the chapter 11 measurement of weight. So let's start with the chapter 11 measurement of weight. Okay. Now open page 155 for this. So start reading this chapter measuring weight. Okay. See what these kids are doing. They are playing. Who is heavier, Saloni or Johnny? These are two children. So, who is heavier, Saloni or Johnny? So, we will read this. We can compare the weights of two objects. We can compare the weights of two objects with the help of a balance or a weighing machine. With the help of a balance or a weighing machine. Okay. See, these are weighing machines. This we can see in the shops or at home also. Okay. So whenever we have to weigh something, we can take the help of these weighing machines. Okay. So as we measure length in meters or centimeters, we measure length in meters and centimeters. And how we measure the weight? We measure weight in kilograms and grams. We measure weight in kilograms and grams. Okay. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams or 1 kg. Okay. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams or 1 kg. So 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. See, this is a manual balance. See how we are measuring this. Now come to page 156. Weight and its units. Heavier objects are measured in kilograms. Heavier objects. When we have to measure any heavy object, we can measure in kilograms. And lighter objects, for heavy objects we use kilograms, and for lighter objects are measured in grams. And for lighter objects, things which are light in weight, we can measure them in grams. Okay. Some of the commonly used weights are given below. This is 5 kg, this is 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram and 50 gram. Okay. So see, so these are commonly used weights are given below. So for this we have to remember 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Half kilogram is equal to 500 grams. Quarter kilogram is equal to 250 grams. So for this, learn this. Remember, always remember. Okay. 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. Half kilogram, 500 grams. Quarter kilogram, 250 grams. The weights of the two pans are equal. I have weighted 1 kg of apples. The weight of the two pans are equal. The weight of two pans are equal. Okay. And these are apples are 1 kg. It means here this stone is of 1 kg. So these are in the same line. Okay. So the weight of these two pans are equal. The weights of the two pans are not equal. These are not equal. See, one is low and one is high. The pan which weighs more comes down. The pan which weighs more that comes down, and the pan which weighs less goes up. Okay, the lighter things goes up and the heavier things comes down. So I need to add more weight. So here we have to add more weight, then only they can be equal. Okay. Now come to page 157. More about weight. Exercise 11.1. In this you have to do only first and second question. In your syllabus only two questions are there. Tick the pan which is lighter. Tick the pan which is lighter. Here we have learnt that the pan which weighs more comes down and the pan which weighs less goes up. So which pan is lighter? this pen is lighter. Okay, the lighter things they goes up and the heavier things they come down. So this is lighter. In the next one, see which is lighter. This one is lighter. It is in up and this is down. So it is heavier and this is lighter. So tick this. Come to the next question. Tick the pen which is heavier. Here we have to tick the pen which is heavier. So this is lighter, this is up and this is down. It means it is heavier. So it is heavier. Tick this. Come to the next one. Here also this is down. Down one is heavier and the which goes up that is lighter. So this is heavier. Tick this. Okay, understand? So we have completed our chapter 11, measurement of weight. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the chapter. After the session, read this chapter and underline these lines which I have underlined and complete your work. After this, in the copy, I have written some fill-ups. Write these fill-ups in your copy. Okay, chapter 11, measurement of weight. Date, when you do the work, write that date here. Okay, fill-ups. First, we can compare the weights of two objects with the help of a balance or a weighing machine. Underline weighing machine and balance. Second, as we measure length in meters, underline, and centimeters, underline, we measure weight. As we measure length in meters and centimeters, we measure weight in kilograms and grams. Okay, underline this. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams or 1 kg. Heavier objects are measured in kilograms. Okay, for kilograms we can write kg. So after the session, complete this work in your copies. Next, fifth, lighter objects are measured in grams. For grams we write G. We have to remember some points. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Half kilogram is equal to 500 grams. Quarter kilograms is equal to 250 grams. So understood? So after the session, complete these fill-ups in your copies. See this and complete your work neat and clean. Okay, so till then, stay safe. Bye. We have completed chapter 11, measurement of weight. I hope that you all have understood the chapter and will revise it thoroughly. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, take care, bye.